In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Good Morning Magnolia stamp set. Let's get started. So I've got the card here. This is using the Good Morning Magnolia stamp set. It's a 2-set stamp. It has this large, gorgeous magnolia, as well as the smaller magnolia and some really pretty sentiments like hello and thank you. And then these are the dies that cut pretty much everything out, and then there's some extra dies that cut some extra pieces out as well. To start this card, I have a base of Mossy Meadow that is 5.5 by 8.5 that I'm just going to fold in half and burnish the fold. I'm going to add some of the Magnolia Elaine Designer Series paper. So pretty. There's so many pretty designs in this paper. Let me show you some of them. Here's the paper right here, and we've got these beautiful designs. Some flowers and leaves, flowers and stripes, more flowers and stripes, flowers and leaves, and more flowers. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous, gorgeous paper. Now we're just going to wrap some of the Magnolia Lane ribbon. It comes in a pack of 2. There is this cotton weave ribbon as well as some Mossy Meadow twine. And I like that it's packaged this way so that there's no kinks or lines or anything in it. So when you're tying a knot, you want to tie right over left, left over right, and then as you put the second part over, you're going to hold that here, and then you're going to pull. And you can pull here a little bit, and it creates this really nice knot for you. So we will adjust this over a little bit to make room for our magnolia, the star of the card. And I will just trim these little pieces off here using my paper snips. Okay, so now for the magnolia, I stamped in Memento Black, and I inked it up upside down. And I'm going to place this upside down so I can kind of see, because I made it pretty tight. So now I've got my magnolia. Not pretty. And now I'm going to color it with some blends. So I've got petal pink, and I'm just going to use the petal pink on all the interior parts of the petals of the flower, as well as some of the lines coming out from the flower. So just to give it a little hint of pink on each petal, and also the shaded parts. I love the blends. I love coloring with them. They're so nice. I hope you have some blends. If you don't, order them. You can go to my website, eStampin.com, and use this June Hostess code to order them, and I will send you a gift. I'm going to use Daffodil Delight for the center, and then I'm going to use some soft suede for the branch. And then I'm going to use Mossy Meadow first for the leaves, and I'll just do part of a leaf to show you. I just did around the leaf and the shadows. Then I use some Mossy Meadow Light to come in a little bit more. And then I used Old Olive Light to fill it in. So that's how you get the coloring of the leaves. So I have one here already colored and ready to go. So I'm just going to put some dimensionals on the back of it, and then I will add it to the card. Probably going to need quite a few dimensionals since this is such a large piece. And this card is pretty simple. You could add a sentiment to it, hello, or thank you, or happy birthday, or whatever sentiment you would like. And you're just gonna add this to the card. So there you have it, a Good Morning Magnolia card. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.